Maggie. I woke my gorilla. My brother just called me, said he called a baddie. I had picked my killer. Pop out that next, I ain't waking up.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Nolan today. I'm coming at y'all with another banger, man. Today I'm coming at y'all with a monkey video. I'm gonna be asking a few females to rate me 1 to 10, man. Hopefully we get some good reactions, man. Hopefully we get all 10s. We aiming for all 10s, man, cause you know.
Now why the fuck would this boy just call himself sexy when he know he ugly as shit?
Anyways, man, yeah, we aiming for all 10s, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna ask a couple girls what they think, and yeah, we just gonna
get into the video. Why you still talking so long, boy? Bye.
So let's get it.
Yeah, better subscribe.
Oh yeah, if you new,
think I'm playing. You better subscribe.
Leave a like and comment what y'all want to see next, and I got that coming for y'all. Hey Zayna.
Hi.
I got a question. Can you have time?
What?
I have a question. Can you have time? Oh, alright. If you had to rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
I would rate you a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
Dang. Why 9?
See, I would say the last number would be based off personality, but look-wise, you're a 9.
Oh, okay. Thank you. That's cool. You want to be friends?
I agree.
Alright. Alright, cool. I'm going to add you on Snap.
And what would you rate me?
I'll probably give you a 10.
Thank you.
You welcome.
Boy, you think of that one little girl thought you was cute, think you doing something, boy, bye. You ain't doing nothing.
Layla. Layla. Add time real quick. I got a question. Alright. If you had to rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
10.
A 10? Thank you. I'll rate you a 10 too.
Thanks.
You wanna be friends?
Huh?
Wanna be friends?
Sure.
Alright, I'm gonna add.
Where are you from?
I'm from Philadelphia.
Pause. I should smack you right here for doing all that line. What is your problem, boy? You ain't living in no Philly, boy.
I am from Philadelphia.
What part?
What you mean?
He's lying. You're so fake. Are you from North Philly or where are you from?
North Philly.
He's lying. What school do you go to?
I'm homeschooled.
Okay, what homeschool system do you go to?
My own?
You're so fake.
I'm not fake. I'm serious. So now I'm just playing. I live in Maryland though.
What neighborhood? What neighborhood?
No, I was just playing. I live in Maryland. But I'm not that far from Pennsylvania. All right, but when you going?
In 2 weeks.
2 weeks. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna text you on Snap.
Right.
All right.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
So you gonna lie again to this little girl? What is your problem?
All right. Dang, man. I only said 16 because she was 16. Hey, Evie. Can you add time? I got a question. Can you add time? Alright. If you had to rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me? I said, if you had to rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me? Why you tell Juju to shut up? Yeah, I said if you had to rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
They in there abusing babies. They said what?
Can you ask me a question? I'm sorry.
I said if you had to rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Yeah, 8.
8?
Yeah, 8. Yeah, you're cute.
That's pretty decent.
No,
8.
no, we're serious though. Like, if you were ugly, we would say you were ugly. No,
Alright, let's be friends. Damn. They was in there abusing babies, man. I'm not even sure if I want to talk to her, dude. Jacksonville, Florida, joint. Hey, Lissa. I got a question. Can you add time?
What?
Can you add time real quick? Is that a real face tat?
No.
Oh, whew, about to say. Anyways, if you had to rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Am I in this video?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, 1 through 10?
Yeah.
I'll have to give you a 7.5.
7.5?
What, you expect a 10?
Yeah, I was expecting at least a 9.
You're not that cute now.
Oh, I'm not that cute. Oh, alright.
I mean, you're cute, but you're not.
Right. Alright. I feel you. I feel you.
Must be gassing you over there.
Nah, they don't be gassing me. That's just my, what I thought I was. I thought I was a 10, but
Oh,
hey.
that's cute. I like that confidence. Confidence is key.
You right.
I mean, you might be a little conceited, but
I appreciate your honesty.
you're welcome.
See, you still gotta be gentle with the lady. Mackenzie,
Hi, that's my name. Don't wear it out.
I got a question. Can you add time? Ooh, you got attitude, bro. All right, if you had to rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me? A 8? All right, I mean, that's decent. I appreciate your honesty. These females weird, bro. That was the last one, man. Like, I don't understand how I didn't just get all 10s.
Wait, because you're not cute. Like what?
I mean, the Florida bitches, that they was gassing me down here. Hey man, if y'all enjoyed that video, man, leave a thumbs up, man. If you new, subscribe, man. Comment what y'all want to see next, man. I got that coming for y'all, man. But, man, it's your boy No Limit Dev, and I'm out.
Yes, my niggas go monkey. What you do? I walk my gorilla. My brother just called me, said he called a baddie. I had picked my killer. Pop out that next, I ain't waking up.